Cosmology is a nearly late open blockchain that empowers organizations with practically no digital currency skill to integrate blockchain arrangements into their tasks. The Ontology network permits clients to make public blockchains for different applications, getting the best from blockchain innovation. With the capacities for decentralized applications, the Ontology system is situated as an immediate opponent to Ethereum. The Ontology system incorporates two tokens: the Ontology, Ontario, and gas token, ONT. With the presentation of the Ontology mainnet in 2018, the Ontology token was sent off, and it goes about as a sort of compensation for clients to the organization. More data on ONT might be found as you read this blog. On this Ontology cost forecast, you will look further into the coin's essentials and follow a painstakingly investigated Ontario cost expectation. The present Ontology cost is $0.272325, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,626,380. Philosophy is down 4.96% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 130, with a live market cap of $238,351,927 United States dollars. It has a flowing inventory of 875,249,524 Ontario coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion Ontario coins. OnChain, a Chinese startup, fostered the Ontario network in 2017. The OnChain team sent off the stage drove by experts Eric Zhang, Jun Li, and Da Hongwei. OnChain is additionally perceived as the engineer of the Neo blockchain. The organization was made to permit organizations to utilize blockchain innovation without requiring huge changes to their current frameworks. The makers expected to facilitate the method involved with integrating blockchain innovation and make blockchain use open to everybody. Since Ontology has a double framework, its essential cache is the Ontology token truncated Ontario. The Ontario originally went available to be purchased in the digital currency market in the first quarter of 2018, and its stock won't ever surpass 1 billion coins. The reasoning behind the $1 billion limit is hazy. By the by, it is imagined that Ontario was fabricated fundamentally for private purposes, and that Ontario and Neo are expected to work like cuts of a common tech stack. Besides, a few properties are held for the establishment, trendsetters, and fintech associations. Since Ontology worked together with the undeniably more conspicuous Neo blockchain, the worth of Ontario has ascended since its unique presentation. Its cost right now of the send-off was a touch more than $2.50. What is the Ontario coin? The web exhibits that the Ontology system is focused on at the overall population to forestall deterrence between the money firm and the blockchain. The establishment area might use Ontology and blockchain advancements with no earlier comprehension of shared networks. Upon the Chinese's making of Ontology in 2017, there are still no strategies for organizations to consolidate blockchain into starting designs, with no huge blockchain aptitude. Furthermore, the current trust stages endure a great deal of difficulties. Blockchain limits. Secured information esteem, incapable recognizable proof, and lacking protection security. Principal investigations. Mainnet was recently sent off, and work on the NFT stage and wallet upgrades have started. New joint efforts are building up some decent forward momentum. Marking and coin economy provision of 1000 MN Ontario and ONT, with an Ontario current dissemination pace of around 63% and a market cap of $800 million. Its ongoing cost is $0.914. It has an exchanging volume of $108 million, while its flowing stock is 875 million Ontario. A buyback from the open market was recently finished. The Ontology cost examination has encountered a fluctuating development over the most recent couple of days. In any case, with the unpredictability diminishing. In addition, as the unpredictability closes, it makes the worth of the cryptographic money less unstable to change. Subsequently, the maximum furthest reaches of the Bollinger's band rests at 42 cents, filling in as the most significant opposition for Ontario. Contrariwise, the lower furthest reaches of the Bollinger's band rests at 18 cents, filling in as the most grounded help for Ontario. The Ontario United States dollar value seems, by all accounts, to be getting over the moving average bend, showing bullish energy. Nonetheless, the help and opposition are shutting in, showing diminishing unpredictability with huge possibilities, moving towards a positive pattern. Subsequently, the cost moves upwards towards expanding qualities. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) score seems, by all accounts, to be 39, showing the digital currency security. It falls in the underestimated district. In any case, the RSI score follows a rising development connoting a growing business sector and motions towards stable elements. The rising RSI score demonstrates offering movement subpar compared to purchasing action. The ontology cost examination shows negative energy with bullish open doors. In addition, the bulls have shown their discouragement and could assume command over the market soon for the long haul, as the market gives enormous indications of any change. Hence, as per this investigation, ontology is supposed to have a promising future, with the bulls getting rid of the bears totally. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2022. As per our top-to-bottom specialized examination of verifiable Ontario cost information, the cost of ontology is supposed to arrive at least 29 cents in 2022. With a typical estimate cost of 30 cents, the Ontario cost might arrive at a limit of 34 cents. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, the cost of the ontology figure is supposed to arrive at least 42 cents. All through 2023, the ontology cost could arrive at a limit of 51 cents, with a typical cost of 43 cents. Cosmology Price Prediction 2024. As per the ontology cost conjecture cost and specialized examination, the cost of ontology will arrive at least 60 cents in 2024. With a typical exchanging cost of 61 cents, the ontology value equivalent to a most extreme worth of 72 cents is normal. Cosmology Price Prediction 2025. In 2025, the cost of one ontology is anticipated to arrive at least 83 cents. All through 2025, the Ontario cost could arrive at a limit of $1.04, with a typical cost of 87 cents. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026. In 2026, the most reduced plausible cost for metaphysics is supposed to be $1.20. As indicated by our exploration, the Ontario cost could arrive at a high of $1.43, with a typical expected cost of $1.23. Cosmology Price Prediction 2027. As per our top-to-bottom specialized examination of authentic Ontario cost information, the cost of ontology is supposed to be about $1.80 in 2027. With a typical exchanging worth of $1.86 in United States dollars, the ontology cost might arrive at a limit of $2.09. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2028. As per the ontology value projection and specialized examination, the Ontario cost is anticipated to cross a normal value level of $2.79 in 2028, with a base value worth of $2.69 anticipated before the current year's over. Moreover, Ontario has a most extreme cost of $3.15. Recently, Ontology sent off its Ethereum virtual machine into the mainnet. This will empower cross-chain operability among Ontology and Ethereum organization. Philosophy declared a $10 million reserve for designers making dApps on Cosmology during the send-off. Wing Finance eluded Ontology for the move, which will assist with winging money to expand its loaning administrations into the Ethereum virtual machine. As we move to WEB3, we have a chance to make a more secure, more pleasant, more decentralized web. By sending off our EVM, Ontology is adding to this vision by expanding cross-chain interoperability, as well as extending our decentralized character answers for standard designers inside EVM-based environments through our EVM fund.